sleeping.
It's so scary. I'm not like it's dead.
Try it. You show them you're strong. I'm gonna open it, ha?
For me.
Yeah. And then you're gonna show
Hi.
into the video.
Mommy, why I need this one?
You need,
Why you need this
you
one?
need that one. Para ibutang mo din mo kuan. Ito.
Ginantos ko,
Oh,
no?
sup.
Gani?
Sabaw.
It's scary, Mommy.
Dako mo pa yung ako eh.
Oh,
19 ano?
it's there.
Pinti na kabutang pag sure di ako eh.
Ang sabihin
Oh,
nila.
Himaya.
I
Get
wake
the
up
duck.
it. I said no, closer. Only this.
Closer.
Oo, ano?
Ay, go ahead.
Ah, puso.
I wake up it.
Ibulag.
Piso. Wow, piso.
Ibulag.
Ano na pagkaon mo?
Ibulag lagi.
Look at Cass. Look at Cass. How you eat the bayot?
Gotta show Kuya.
You put some soy in the bayot and you will swallow the whole. You swallow the whole bayot. Huh?
Oh. How about you?
Hi guys, I'm gonna wish.
You swallow the balot whole.
Huh?
You swallow it, the balot whole.
Ako mag
How about we put the duck in We put the duck on your spoon.
No.
Why?
Ang balot na ay
Ang balot na sa plato.
Himay-himay ang balot.
Ano ba sa plato?
I know this. I said this someday.
So direct. Ano ang sa?
Kadar.
It's only
Kamara
a
yun.
baby duck.
Kung ka ang bala.
Oh no.
Kana alam.
Kasi this is the the head. Try it.
Why it kills the eyes?
Because it's a baby.
The bayot.
Try it.
Try the head.
You were strong earlier, di ba? You said you're gonna eat balot.
Hindi, matakot.
Okay, try the yellow one.
So
Try the yellow one.
it's so like a snake dog.
Oh, sige na, you eat the yellow one.
The yellow is yummy.
No, I said no touch it.
The yellow one only. Sige na.
This one I'm gonna eat guys.
Show them what you're eating.
Sige na, kauna ang balot. Oh, ibutang sa tunga ang chicken.
How about we wrap
Oh, we wrap the yellow one.
We
The yellow
wrap
one
the
first.
duck.
The yellow one. The yellow one.
We're gonna wrap the duck here in your
Inside, yeah.
cucumber.
Like the seaweed kuan.
Sige na.
Wrap it inside.
Mommy, give me this
Duck?
one.
The yellow
The
one.
duck?
No, the yellow one.
The yellow one.
Oh, wrap it.
Yeah, in my plate.
Yeah, you swallow it. Oh. It's yummy.
Mommy, so I will need chips.
No, need chopstick. You use two hands. Ayaw, pag chopstick kayo maggawas na. You subo hole.
No, Mommy.
You subo na, sige na.
You just try it. You wanna cut it? Have to try it. Waray na, di rin ito yada.
Ako na sa piso.
What
Ikaw
are
ka
the...
puso.
Hey, already dead, Mommy?
Of course.
Oh, let's
It's
tilaw.
yummy. This one is
You
yummy.
try. It's like egg only. Good. What's the lasa?
Tastes like my favorite lunch.
Your favorite lunch? What's your favorite lunch?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Try it.
What the heck?
Why do your mouth, huh? I told you not to say those words. You pitik your mouth.
What the?
Oh,
Sige na.
Hey.
it's so yummy.
Show them.
Ayaw,
Not.
Ah.
Okay.
Bye
The
bye.
dog is so tasty.
We're gonna end the video here.
Bye-bye.
I'm getting a new one.
Mommy will eat the